What's up, future billionaires? It's Crypto Billionaire back with another video. Before we get started, I want to thank you guys on 200 subscribers. This is awesome. We started this channel like 2 days ago. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. All right. Before we get into the technical analysis, I want to head over to the Twitter. This is extremely important, and this is exactly what we want to see in order for this coin to be growing. 255,000 followers. I started following this about a week and a half ago. It was at 170,000 followers. So we are gaining traction everywhere. We are on the trending page, on the investments, on the major news sites. So everything is looking amazing marketing-wise. The team is doing a great job at marketing. Now, what we really care about is the technical analysis, because all of this is important up to a point. This is what really matters. We care about the price action. Now, in case you guys don't realize, whenever it goes down, the bad news comes out. Whenever it spikes, we start hearing the good news, all right? So this is what our goal in this channel is to do. We need to get in before the good news comes out while the bad news is happening. And then ride the wave up and sell right before the bad news comes out. All right. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am simply a crypto billionaire giving my assumptions on this technical analysis in the market. Guys, a little bit of backstory on me before we get started. I used to day trade stock market futures for a living, and I saw people making life-changing gains in the cryptocurrency markets. So I decided, why not use my technical analysis skills and put it in the crypto markets? And then I made this channel for you guys to follow along, because there's enough money in all of this for all of us to change our lives. We just need to ride with the whales and exit before they blow their water spout. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. A few videos ago, you see this point right here, we predicted this was going to go down. I said that was a good buying opportunity. If you got in, good for you, bro. You are up around 50% right now. Now, right here, I noted in the last video with this rectangle. This is where extreme selling pressure is going to be, and let me explain why. If you look to the left, this is where many people filled their bags. That is why it came down and touched, pushed higher. Came down, touched again, around this 17 area, pushed higher. Okay? Held for a little bit, pushed higher at the 17. Here it finally went all the way down. Someone sold major bags, right? And then someone bought it all the way back up. So this buyer right here has not sold his bags, or else we would see a momentum drop just like this. What he is doing is waiting for this moment. Right now he's at break even, right? So he is most likely selling half of his bags, or he couldn't have sold all his bags because this would have broken support by now. In other words, this is a good sign. We are holding the 17 level. We are actually holding, we are holding it perfectly, guys. This is awesome. So there's nothing to worry about. Right now is a good time to start averaging into your position. In case you guys don't know, we use the 1/4 rule on this channel. 1/4 rule is, if you have $1,000, wait for confirmation, put 1/4 of that $1,000 in. Boom, you just dropped $250, right? The next point of confirmation, you drop another $250, and you keep doing that until you reach your full position size. All right, now what is confirmation, you might ask? This is confirmation. All right, this is what we need to look for here. We need to look and see if this candle is going to break this 17 area, more even this 16 area, and move lower into the 13s. If it does that, that's an extreme buying opportunity, guys. Extremely. That, if it breaks down, this is simply these people selling their bags. That is all it is. And these people that bought down here are going to buy more. People are going to see the prices dipping. They're going to see the Fibonacci retracement, and they're going to buy more. So that would be a wonderful natural move if it dipped down to this 13 area. Now, if it doesn't dip down, that means these players over here are holding their bags because they know they are Martians and this is going to Mars. And that is what I believe might just happen. But there is no assurance. It could very well dip down to here, and that is a very healthy retracement. So let's say in the opposite direction, if people just absolutely decide to buy right now, if it hits a major news site and it goes on a tear, all right, our next resistance really is right here. Okay. I'm giving you guys a lot of information right now. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily technical analysis videos. Our next price target is right around here, okay? Now we have a little bit of resistance right here just because of these selling orders, but that won't be anything, guys. That literally won't be anything because we moved all the way down here. We moved all the way up here. If this was a pump and dump, it would be down in the gutter right now. I really do see this thing going to Mars. So this is what you guys need to watch out for confirmation-wise in order to scale in that 1/4 position, my friends. This is what you want to wait for. You want to wait for this to come down and base here. Now what you're going to want to wait for here, just like what we waited for back here, is this huge candle with volume. Now that is what you want to wait for, is a breakout candle with volume out of this range right here. Once you see that, that's a good buying opportunity. Now you don't want to buy right as it touches the 1256 level, because if people decide to sell their bags and it keeps pushing down forward, you're in a loss right now. And we don't like losses over here, okay? Billionaires do not lose money, and that is our whole goal on this channel. What you need to do is wait for it to come down in base. If it has good volume, you would want volume around this area right here, okay? If it has more than average volume, that is a good sign that this is going to be a healthy support level. All right, and then once it breaks this 14 area with volume, that's when you get in. And you just hodl. Wait for the next confirmation to add your fourth. All right, now that's one operation. That's one side of the story. The other side of the story, if this baby just pushes up and breaks through, which it very well could, right now would not be right now would not be a bad time to average in with 1/4 of your position size. The reason I say, if it breaks down here, and it is the likelihood of it basing down here is extraordinary, and it breaks out with volume, you can average in right around here, right? Because you won't get it right on the break, but you can average in right around here, right on this 1481 area. And that will bring your break even to around 16, okay? That's a good break even point. Because I see this thing 10xing from here within the next month. Month or two, it should 10x if the market does not crash completely. Now, if all meme coins go to the gutter, this thing, sure betcha, is going to the gutter with them. All right, so keep an eye on that overall market, because if that sentiment starts changing, all these smaller coins are going to be the first one to go. But that's the beauty and the curse, because people know they got to get in these things quick, get out of them quick. And that is all we're doing here. All we're doing here is making quick, fat gains, moving on to the next coin, my friends. All right, the other side of the story, it breaks through this position right here. With volume, you size in right here. I would even size in, no, I would not size in 50%. I would size in 1/4. Stick to the 1/4 rule. Boom. It will come up to here, base around. There's a little bit of resistance here, but this should be no problem. And if it is a problem, it'll just come back down to here, most likely base on top of this. Keep going higher. All right, guys. This was a lot of in-depth technical analysis. If you liked the video, hit that like button, my friends. Hit the subscribe button. I want to see you guys tomorrow because I post daily. This is Crypto Billionaire 69, and I love talking to you guys about all this stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video.